are you waiting for, cowboy? We need help with the mortars! Do you need an invitation? We need you here! Don't be a coward! Grenade! Get the mortar grenade. They must be somewhere. And then destroy the enemy. Storm the front, boys! Hey, be careful. Our comrade is dying. Shot me! All those motherfuckers our comrade is dying. For the honor and glory of Captain Island!
And he blew the turret up, so now our boats are getting shots off.
Worth it. Storm another enemies! Cut this on, you great Captain Crow did not want slaves!
Let me
Get the
hear your
basic part of
wounds,
the radio.
Captain Soldier.
We need to call in an airstrike! Go now!
You seem injured. Let me
BJ!
fix you up.
We need air support now! I
There's
don't
dangers
care!
out there.
Get me a
The
bomber!
battlefield is hell. My name is Twista Hope. I can hear you.
Form the front, boys! Up the hill and clear out those bunkers! Cannot survive. We will take everything from you. Why are you us? We will take everything from you. Why are you trying? Death is the new. Hey, be careful.
Can the speed. Rim, this bit.
We need you here. Don't be a coward. Enemy artillery. We need to destroy their artillery. Get order, please. Storm the front, boys! They shot me! Our comrade is dead. Go and find him, Mitchin. For the honor and glory of Cacti Island! front, boys! The gods make Captain Groot and not one sleeves!
I'm here to help. Take this and you'll
Mayday!
feel better.
We need air support now! I don't care! Get me your bomber! Get up the hill and clear the
Let
bunkers!
me heal your wounds, Cacti Soldier.
Forward the front, boys! Up the hill and clear out those bunkers!
Can I use this?
We made it, boys! The C-Day is over! I cannot believe some of us are still alive! Everyone, take cover!